everyone. I am Aishwarya Saxena, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy Learning app where you can find my other courses as well. In this lesson, we are going to talk about words that confuse us. And it happens because they have similar pronunciation but their meanings as well as applications are completely different. So let us have a look at these words. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. So, as I have mentioned in my introductory video, in this lesson we are going to talk about words that confuse us. And it happens because they have similar pronunciation. That means when we speak out these words, they sound similar to each other, but their spellings, meanings and their applications or usage are completely different. So here we have illicit versus illicit, then lightning versus lightning and which versus which. You can see that in each pair, both of the words sound quite similar to each other. But yes, their meanings as well as applications are completely different. So let us polish our concepts. Firstly, we'll discuss the meaning of E-L-I-C-I-T illicit and E-double-L-I-C-I-T illicit. So E-L-I-C-I-T illicit means to draw out. Okay, so try to take response from something. Then I-double-L-I-C-I-T illicit means something which is wrong or illegal or something which is not normal. Okay, it can also be used to describe something which is not allowed. So, here we have some examples that are using the word illicit, which means to draw out something. First is, I hope that this session will elicit successful results. This means I hope that this session will draw out successful results. This means it will fetch successful results or it will receive successful results. It will come up with successful results. So now, second, she asked me to elicit the conclusion of this article. This means she asked me to draw out the conclusion of this article. Last is, I am not able to elicit any information from this content. This means I am not able to draw out or fetch or take out any information from this content. Now, we'll discuss some examples that are using the word I-double-L-I-C-I-T illicit, which means something which is wrong or illegal. First is, I don't like him because of his illicit habit of drinking alcohol. It means I don't like him because of his wrong habit or bad habit of drinking alcohol. Second, he is exporting illicit items like drugs. So this means he is exporting illegal items like drugs. Last example is, his illicit activities spoiled the image of his parents. This means his illegal or his wrong activities, his bad activities spoiled the image of his parents. So it is a negative word. I hope the difference between E-L-I-C-I-T illicit and I-double-L-I-C-I-T illicit is clear to you now. Please keep practicing these words in your communication so that you will be able to remember them. Otherwise, you will forget them with time. Now, we will discuss the meaning of lightning and lightning. So, you can see that the only difference in spellings of both of these words is of and E. So, when we are writing lightning without using E between T and N, then it means storm related electricity, which we can see usually during the rainy season. Then second, when we have an E in between T and N, then lightning means to make light or to light something. For example, to light a lamp, or if something is dark in color and we paint it with a light color, we can say that we have lightened it, which means we had made it light. So here we have some examples that are using the word lightning, and please notice that there is no E between T and N, therefore it means the storm related electricity that we can see during rainy season. So first is, I am not afraid of lightning. So this means I am not afraid of electricity which is seen during storms. Second, that train was hit by lightning. So this means that train was hit by the electricity because of storm. Then last example is, his house was struck by lightning. This means his house was struck by storm related electricity. Now we'll discuss some examples using the word lightning, and here we have an E between T and N, therefore it means to enlight something or to make something light. Let us make it more clear by examples. First is, our company is developing with lightning speed. So as you know that light travels fastest. Okay, it has a very high speed. So this sentence means our company is developing with the speed of light, which means developing very fastly. Then second, that lightning rod is not working properly. This means that rod which gives light is not working properly. Last is, I found my mood lightening while going for a morning walk. This means I was able to find a light or a goodness, a positivity in my mood while going for a morning walk. So I hope the difference between lightning and lightning is clear to you. Now we have the meanings of which and which. So WHICH, which means it is something which is used to talk about something that has been mentioned previously. So suppose I say, that red carpet which I have seen in a shop looks beautiful. So the red carpet which I have seen. So here I have already mentioned that the red carpet. Okay, then which I have seen. So here which is talking about that carpet which I have seen in the shop. Okay, and before which I have mentioned the red carpet. So therefore which is used to talk about something that has been mentioned previously. It will be more clear when we'll discuss few examples. Then it is also used to ask about something or someone. For example, which is your favorite color, or which is your favorite dish. So in such cases, which is used to frame questions. Now WITCH, which means evil female having magical powers. You all would have heard some stories of a witch, which is an evil female having magical powers. So now we'll discuss some examples that are using the word which. First is, which is your favorite dress? So as I have told you, which is used to frame questions in order to ask about something or someone. So here which is being used to ask about favorite dress. Second, I'm talking about the event which took place yesterday. So here which took place yesterday. Here which is talking about something that I have already mentioned, that I am talking about the event. Okay, which event? that took place yesterday. So it actually provides a reference to the rest of the sentence. Then last is, which is the favorite place, which is the best place in Rajasthan. So here which is asking about the best place in Rajasthan. Now we'll discuss some examples that are using the word which means an evil female that has magical powers. So first is, have you heard the story of the most powerful witch? This means, have you heard the story of the most powerful female evil that has magical powers? Second, I told him that witches do not exist in real world. This means I told him that female evil characters do not exist in real world. Now last is, I saw a witch in that horror movie. This means I saw an evil female who had magical powers in that horror movie. So this is all I had. I hope I was clear with the topic. Still, if you have any doubts or queries, then please drop reviews, and even if you have some suggestions, please drop comments. Thank you so much for watching.